Hey folks, welcome to another day of crazy. We're about to get our 1999 Jeep Wrangler restored. It's about to leave for the body shop tomorrow to get painted. As you can see, it's in good shape. It needs some new paint. We've been the only owners. We bought it in 1999. Soft top, you can see. We're really looking forward to getting it restored, and I don't know what else we're gonna do to it. Once we get it painted, it needs new seats. Soundbar needs some either replaced or some work done on it. You can see it's a chili pepper red. It's got the original seats in it. The driver's seat's got a little bit of damage to it. I'm trying to decide if I'm going to try and fix that. Probably not. Probably going to buy new seats for it. So we'll be doing that. And then, like I said, the soundbar, poor soundbar, needs some tender love and care to it. Probably going to end up buying a new one because I was trying to find the covers for the old ones and I couldn't. We still have the back seat in it. As you can see, this is what it looks like inside. Doesn't have a lot of gadgets. Pretty basic model, which is really, it's a Jeep. That's what you need. It is actually an automatic. Took me forever to find this car to be able to buy it with it being an automatic. Because in 1999, there weren't that many. And I saw another video, somebody else was saying that they had a 97 with an automatic. So I was thinking that the 99s were the first year, but must have been 97s. But like I said, there are far and few between in those years with automatics. Now they're more automatics than standards. If you can see, we tow this behind our motorhome, so we also have it prepped for that. So, but I'm going to get a good look at it. As tomorrow morning we'll drop it off. Probably gonna take about a month to get it painted because they're gonna work it in between other jobs, which is fine. We're okay with that. So anyway, this will be one of the first segments of restoring the Jeep, so stay tuned. As always, thanks for watching. Check back often. Thank you.